so let us get started. I am going to be taking the next few minutes just to quickly walk you through some crucial tools and infrastructure to support your digital business. So as an online business, there are a couple of crucial factors to have in place. So we're going to walk through them. But first and foremost, I wanted to give a quick shout out to our partner Visa, without whom this whole event series would not be possible. So part of this segment that we're going through right now, we're going to be talking through some tools and features that they have available, also resources made to underline their commitment to supporting small businesses, particularly female-owned small businesses in Africa like you. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to be taking a look at is why you should go online. So how many people here actually, your business already is online, whether you have a fully online business or you have an in-person business that has like an online presence? If you do, can you just write yes or give me some sort of confirmation in the chat? Okay, I saw someone use a raised hand emoji, fantastic. Good, okay, so there's a good number of people. There's a few who haven't. Even if you haven't, we're gonna be talking through first and foremost the benefits of actually going online. So in terms of the benefits, there's more potential for more earning potential, personal freedom, and prospective customers. The reason being specifically is because COVID has kind of accelerated the push to have more people online. So because of the reduced social contact, more people have gone online as a result. And then as an online business, you don't have to deal with some of the risks and potential problems of having a physical location. Even if you do have a physical location, having an online component just gives you the flexibility so that in a situation like COVID where you can't meet any customers face to face, your part of your business can still go on as usual. So let's move on to the next one. So let's look at a couple of tools to get you started. So first and foremost is website creation and optimization. So how many people here already have a website for their online business? Can you let me know in the comments? Timelo says me, not yet. Okay, someone used I don't even know what that's called, the flexing muscle emoji. Okay, so your website is more than just a website. It's like an introduction. More often than not, it can be like the first contacts that your customers have with you. So it's not only a way to give them general information about who you are and what you do as a business, but it's also a way to show off your business's personality and what makes you different. So on screen now, you can see a couple of solutions that you can potentially use. These are provided by Visa and they were hand selected by Visa so that because number one, they're affordable. Number two, they're very accessible. So sometimes building an online website can be very complicated and some people hire a developer. But with these tools here, you do not have to do any coding at all. You can set it up yourself and they even have like templates that you can use to get started. So that's why they were picked out here. But there's also more information about getting set up with the website. There's a specific guide on the Visa Small Business Hub, which you can find a link to in your workbooks. So speaking of the workbooks, here is the link to your workbook that we've prepared for everyone to practice and learn with during the session. I've shared it in the chat section and I will share it one more time just for everyone. So all of these things that we're mentioning now, as well as the links to them are available in your workbook, but let's move forward. So next up is e-commerce and friendly social media platforms. So you can use your social media platform to support your business. So if you have a website, your social media can also act as like something that goes alongside your website. But then if you do not have one and you're not ready to set up a website yet, you can use your social media presence as your central hub. So here we listed a few e-commerce friendly ones specifically that will allow you to not only set up your business presence, but also has a number of free business tools that make it a lot easier for you to conduct business online, even if you do not have a website. So they have payment features, they have great messaging features, so you can stay in touch with your customers, et cetera, et cetera. There is also a guide on getting set up on social media and the sort of best practices available on the Visa Small Business Hub. So please definitely check that out after today's workshop. All right, so next up is reputation management. So for everybody who already has a business set up, how important do you think your reputation is as a business? Let me know in the chat section. Also, for anyone who also doesn't have a business, who's considering setting up a business, how important do you think your reputation is? Okay, I'm seeing a lot of importance. So important. Okay, cool. Exactly. So one of the first things customers check out when they're considering buying from you is online reviews. They want to get a sense of what do other people think about your products and your services. The reason why they do that is so that they can get a sense of security that they're getting value for their money. So, part of establishing a great online presence for your business is getting good online reviews out there. So this is why we recommend you can use Facebook. Facebook has a reviews feature so that when you set up a business page there, you can get reviews from customers. You can also do the same thing simply by having a Google account and registering your business there so that any sort of customers who come in contact with your business, whether they're on your website or not, they can check out what other people think and they can rest assured that you are the right pick. Okay, cool. So we also have a few simple advertising and marketing tools for you to get started with. Yeah, so to grow your business, you need to find new customers, and advertising is a way to put yourself out there specifically to promote your products, your services, or your business in general. So while marketing is speaking to your customers about your business, advertising is a paid messaging to increase awareness and boost your potential sales. So here are two tools to get started with. Number one is Facebook ads, and number two is Google ads. As I mentioned before, there's also more information on getting started with advertising on the Visa Small Business Hub. So definitely check that out. Okay, so next up, we're going into online payment solutions. So as you know, Visa is an online payment company, and having a digital business is not just about having a website, it's also about having a means for your customers to buy from you, so for you to be able to receive payments from your customers. So here are a couple of benefits of having, being able to accept online payments. So number one, easy, smart, and secure. So right now, how many of you actually have a means of collecting payments online from your customers? Can you let me know in the chat section? Okay, Chase says I use Paystack. Okay, some people say not yet. Yeah, so no matter what industry you're in, all businesses have one thing in common. You need to make and spend money. So as a digital business, like I said before, it is crucial to have a way for your customers to pay you online. So next, we're going to be taking a look at not only the importance, but then also the benefits of having being able to accept online payments. And then we'll look at a few solutions that you could get started with. All right, so next one. Yes, so Visa conducted a study where they surveyed close to 900 small, medium businesses owned by women across Africa. So they spoke to female-owned small businesses in Kenya, Nigeria, and South Africa. And what they learned, so they took a look at how each of these businesses adapted to COVID-19, how COVID-19 affected customer behavior, and the sort of attitudes of the businesses and the customers themselves to adopting technology in response to COVID-19. So now we're going to be taking a look. So right now what we're doing is we're taking a look. Oh, can we go back, please? Yes. So what they learned from the study is that number one, the female small business owners that they surveyed across Africa, that they found it a lot easier to receive payments, track their revenue and expenses, because by doing it online, there's always a clear and easy paper trail. So I suppose the benefit of that is that you don't necessarily have to deal with a lot of paper or getting lost or invoices. Everything is done online, so you have a quick and easy central place to track everything. For the customers, they found it a lot easier and safer and more convenient to buy products and services. So you don't need to have any sort of situations where your customers are like fumbling with cash or anything. They found it so much easier. And then out of all of those small, medium businesses that they surveyed, 70% of them claim that using digital payments has had a positive impact on their business. So let's move forward. All right, so here are a few online payment solutions. How many of you have actually heard of these before? Whether it's Flutterwave, Paystack, or PayPal? Okay, Tamilo says me. Che says yup. I like that. Titilayo, yeah. Toyosi, okay, good. So most people have. So let's just quickly. So in terms of what each of them do, they are all payment. They all give you a means to make and receive payments from your customers anywhere in the world. The thing is that some payment providers, there are a number of payment providers out there, but based on Visa's research, and then based on the fact that you are all based in Africa, these are the best ones that you could use to get started with. PayPal is especially robust, and it's also powered by Visa. So definitely check all of them out and choose the best one that you feel would be a fit for your business.